Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 5 topic discount. So first of all we have to discuss about their formulas. First of all, discount is equal to MP minus SP. MP stand for marked price, SP stand for selling price, and D stand for discount. Okay, SP is equal to MP माइनस डिस्काउंट मीन्स मार्क्ड प्राइस में से डिस्काउंट को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद वी गेट SP. डिस्काउंट परसेंट इज इक्वल टू D अपॉन MP मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. डिस्काउंट इज इक्वल टू MP मल्टीप्लाइड बाय D परसेंट अपॉन 100 व्हेन MP एंड D इज गिवन. SP इज इक्वल टू MP मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100 minus D percent upon 100 when MP and D percent is given. MP is equal to SP multiplied by 100 upon 100 minus D percent when SP and D percent is given. Okay, now come on worksheet 2. Question number first statement: the marked price of a pant is rupees 1250 and the shopkeeper allow a discount of 8% on it. Find the discount and the selling price of the pant. First of all, MP is equal to rupees 1250. Discount is equal to D percent. Discount is equal to formula MP multiplied by D percent upon 100. With the help of this formula, we can calculate discount 1250 multiplied by 8 upon 100. After simplification we get rupees 100. Now SP is equal to MP minus discount. MP 1250 minus 100 is equal to rupees 1150. Now question number 2 statement: the marked price of water cooler is rupees 5400. The shopkeeper allows an off-season discount 20% on it. Find its selling price. Here marked price of a water cooler is given, that is rupees 5400. Discount is equal to 20%. SP is equal to MP multiplied by 100 minus D percent upon 100, that is 5400 multiplied by 80 upon 100 is equal to rupees 4320. Now come on question number 3. Statement: an almirah of marked price rupees 4000 is sold for rupees 3700 after allowing certain discount. Find the rate of discount. Here what is given and what is to calculate, we have to observe it. First of all, marked price is rupees 4000 and selling price is rupees 3700. Okay, then now MP of an almirah rupees 4000, SP of an almirah rupees 3700. Then discount is equal to MP minus SP. Rupees 4000 minus rupees 3700 is equal to rupees 300 only. Discount percent formula, this is the formula: D upon MP multiplied by 100, that is 300 upon 4000 multiplied by 100. So after simplifying we get 15 by 2, that is 7 with 1 by 2%. Question number 4, find the rate of discount. What is to find rate of discount? Being given on a selling fan whose selling price is, what is selling price? Rupees 1175. After allowing a discount of rupees 75, this is the discount on its marked price. Now SP of a selling price fan is ceiling fan is rupees 1175, discount rupees 75, MP is equal to SP plus discount, that is 1175 plus rupees 75. So after adding we get rupees 1250. Rate of discount formula says D upon MP multiplied by 100, 75 upon rupees 1250 multiplied by 100. So after simplifying we get 6% is the rate of discount. Now come on, question number 5 of this worksheet. Find the marked price. What is to find? Marked price of a washing machine which is sold at rupees 8400. What is 8400? This is the selling price after allowing a discount of 16%. Now SP of a washing machine is rupees 8400, discount is 16%, MP is equal to SP multiplied by 100 upon 100 minus D percent is equal to 8400 multiplied by 100 upon 84, that is equal to rupees 10,000 only. This is the MP यानी कि marked price of a washing machine. Now come on, question number 6. A dinner set is bought for rupees 2464 after getting a discount of 12% on its marked price. Find the marked price of dinner set. Here bought और sold means selling price ही होता है, क्योंकि when we purchased or sold anything, the price, that is the purchase value, is said to be the selling price. Now selling price of a dinner set is rupees 2464, discount is 12%, MP is equal to SP multiplied by 100 upon 100 minus D percent, that is 2464 multiplied by 100 upon 88. After simplifying we get rupees 2800 answer. Okay, these are the questions from 1 to 6 of worksheet 2. Remaining question number 7 to 10 you will try to do yourself. Okay, thanks a lot.